This is the last one. This is The Bluebird by Charles Bukowski. And this is, you know, I don't care how tough you think you are. You know, we're all soft. Every single one of us. You know, bunch of ducklings walk by, you go, aw. Don't even try to deny it. I see some of you out there being like, oh, no, that's not true. No, you do. You do. We all do. We all have our little bluebird. There's a bluebird in my heart who wants to get out, but I'm too tough for him. I say, stay in there. I'm not going to let anybody see you. There's a bluebird in my heart that wants to get out, but I pour whiskey on him and I inhale cigarette smoke. And the whores and the bartenders and the grocery store clerks never know that he's in there. There's a bluebird in my heart that wants to get out, but I'm too tough for him. I say, stay down. You want to mess me up? You want to screw up the works? You want to blow my book sales in Europe? There's a bluebird in my heart that wants to get out, but I'm too clever. I only let him out at night sometimes when everybody's asleep. And I say, I know you're in there, so don't be sad. And then I put him back. But he's singing a little in there. I haven't quite let him die. And we sleep together like that, with our secret pact. And it's nice enough to make a man weep. But I don't weep. Do you? We thank you all so very, very much for coming out tonight. And we would like, as always, to dedicate this performance to the beautiful Liza Minnelli, who is immortal, fabulous, and gorgeous. She's back on Broadway, baby. Liza, we love you. Yeah. Now,